3 points.
With the ball over the top, allowing it to bounce. Into Cunha. Party's right on top of him. That's a foul to Wolves. The free kick, ages, but Wolves have an opportunity here. In by Sarabia. Hey, Nori wasn't too far away from £16.5 million. Oh, what should Sarr doing here? Well, he's dreadful on 10. He's John Larson is busting back through the centre. Sarabia! Glorious opportunity for Pablo Sarabia. Keeper this season doesn't want to make any unforced errors. You can't quite take the ball from Sarabia. An opportunity now. Cunha!
Contributing somewhat.
And Arsenal could be in here with Rice. He just couldn't get the ball under his control.
Will protect and sit in front of the back four and across that back line and midfield, but it's going to take some doing for
Moneri into the centre. Joao Gomez doesn't clear. William Saliba back in the heart of the defence. Let's have it so far as Rice is tracking him here, and
his versatility really.
he's player come back here. Semedo in by Trossard. In towards Havertz. Oh, it felt almost inevitable that Kai Havertz was going to bury that.
Well, I feel that having an out and that down to not bringing it out and out centre forward in.
Getting something here. Easily steps inside. But now that could count against them. Martinelli
Bay for sure.
from Trossard. Back the cross. Moneri.
Arsenal do it brilliantly. The ball that's flashed across onside. Kai Havertz, and in all fair.
Morris. Doherty. There him, a strike from Partey. Trossard. Towards Martinelli.
Had been just on the edge of the box. If anything, just used his body and strength not to allow him to go forward.
Semedo trying to get Trossard with the ball in. That's a tactical change, or if somebody has a problem.
These times he puts a shot on, so that'll be a mate.
Nori's with him. Gomez has gone across as Timber's claiming that should have been a free kick, clutching the side of his players. Didn't take too many opportunities to. Timber is back on and in possession. Position. Rice with a delivery. Joao Gomez has to be careful here as he's given the ball away and right on the edge of the box. That's a free kick in Andre in the most dangerous of positions. Waneri doing his job. Waneri. Just combinations with team.
On the forward line.
Semedo gets it back from Joao Gomez. Just got the impression with Cunha there that he didn't. Arsenal sensing blood. Rice swings it in away by Hwang. Partner ship goes to the ball away in a dangerous area here for Wolves. Right. Back into it. Turn. Ball into Hwang. Gabriel Martinelli, who was sent off for 2 yet to score a goal before half-time. They've had opportunities. Plenty of debate about it afterwards as Hwang just will have the quality, of course. Semedo, well, there's no ahead of it. Akpadu gets it back from Hwang.
Sometimes that doesn't even help. Trust me, I've been on the.
All 3 points, different mental dynamics. Cunha, Havertz is trying to stay onside. Serious foul play.
All 3 points for the home side. They have to get control of the ball and they have to be better with the ball.
Rice with a delivery for Arsenal. In the home side's favour. This is still Arsenal we're talking about. Martinelli is free. How Arsenal would love to capitalise on all 3 promoted sides. Pieces in particular. Being a player down. That went all the way through. Rice against Andre, stings the palms of Sarr. Rice advancing, allowed to advance. was struck. Sarabia with a ball in. Oh, that's so close for Wolves. And so close to Mateus Cunha, whose strike. Salado. From Agbadou. Sarabia. Charged down well.
Yeah, 1v1.
Timber. Really nice play from the right side. Agbadou. Creates. Play by Trossard as Cunha. Brazil international. What he had him. Clever little ball in towards Wang. Mateus Cunha. Didn't go over the top. We'll say it was very similar